Hello, let me show you how to do a quick restore in GearSet's data backup. I deleted a batch of contact records recently and a few of those deletions were a mistake. First I'll view the details of my backup job. GearSet's showing me the last 30 days of my backup history. So as GearSet backs up my org automatically every day, it tracks the deletions and the additions to my org's data for me. I'm going to look at the most recent backup run. This is last night's backup. I'll view the details of that and click on the contact object. GearSet's showing me everything that was deleted, changed or added to this object yesterday. And it's Finn, Charlie and Amelia that I want to restore, these 3 contact records. So I'm just going to select those and click Quick Restore. Now this won't restore record relationships, so if you have a complex hierarchy of data, you should use GearSet's full restore flow. But if it's just a little mistake like this one, you just need to get a few records back into your org, then the Quick Restore is a really good option.